Hey buyers, it's Sasha Dale from PRD Nationwide Real Estate in Bendigo, and I'm here just behind the brand new Bendigo Hospital to show you through 10 Flood Street. Let's go take a look. It's not very often that you get to see a massive family home on a big block this close into town. The property features 3 large bedrooms with the option for a 4th or to use that as a study. Large living areas and a beautiful classic renovation that's been done to keep that period charm. You'll be hard pressed to find a property of this size, this close to the hospital. So if you're chasing a large family home on a good block, give us a call at PRD Nationwide Real Estate anytime.